Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. In this video we will tell you about one of the best SMS and MMS Android app that is super fast and highly customizable with some great features like bubble and app icon colors, dark, light and auto night modes, multiple bubble styles, icon shape, LED color, sound, vibration, signatures, notifications, preferred themes and others. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store, search the app Textra SMS. Here is the app. Install this app. Here are the details. You can edit yourself. It's beautiful, fast and highly customizable. App is installed. Now open it. Click yes. Start using Textra. Here is the interface. Here are the settings. About, sport, customize look, change the screen color, light and night mode, dark, black, choose anyone, theme colors, different options, bubble colors, select the color as you want, text color, bubble color, scent, app icon color, change the color of app icon, auto theme contacts, bubble style. You can change the style of bubble, emoji style, download latest, Android blog, Android Pie, Twitter, iOS, JPixel, emoji skin tone, text font, Textra, Glory, system, text size, small, big or normal, customize notifications, define notification actions, tapping open, auto close, and other options, style well and lock, style when lock, notification icon, change the icons from here, LED blink color, notification sound, vibrate pattern, wake up screen, repeat notification, show contacts and other options. SMS, delivery port for SMS, character count and other options. MMS options, autosave, carrier send limit and others, group messaging, chat or bulk, SIM1, SIM2, send using enter, send delay, choose the second to delay your message, signatures, quick compose, quick voice memo, mobile contacts, messages to keeps and other options. You can check it yourself. Here is the interface. Write any message or send an emoji. Start contacts appear here. Search conversations and messages from here. Scheduled message, locked. So this is all about this SMS and MMS Android app. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.